My name is Armando Garay. I've been in the car industry since '98. Started my company in 2003. Specialized in just mobile dent removal for dent works and bumper works. So we started also doing paint repair mobile. Just recently, a few years, around 3 years, I came in here and just joined now with Nice and Easy Collision Center. So now we specialize from something minor as just a paintless dent removal to full collision and insurance work. We have a crew of guys that does mobile throughout the week. So anything that is minor can be taken care of on site. You don't have to come to the shop. Anything that is more than a bumper stuff, you can come here and we deal directly with insurance. Here at the shop, we pretty much do anything from insurance to complete restorations. Nice and Easy has been around for many years, so they're well known for customizing cars, paint striping, gold leaf. But as far as something minor, insurance, something quick, to a full restoration, we can also service that as well. We are a family-owned business, so you'll get the treatment from beginning to end. We treat every customer, every car like it's our own. We make sure everything gets done to the detail. We have a lifetime warranty as long as you keep your car with you, and pretty much anything else that you need. Any glass repair, as far as alignment, wheel, we have all the people that we can send to get the job done.
Here at Nice and Easy, we hope not to see you, but in case we have to, know that we'll take care of you and your vehicle and all your needs. We're located right off the 5 freeway conveniently in Chula Vista, 2350 Main Street. And we're open from 8 to 5, Monday to Friday. Saturdays we're open from 9 to 12, and anything in between that we'll take care of you.